Hello everyone, my name is Shekhar. Welcome back to my channel SEKHAR'S English. Keep learning, keep practicing a secret of success. Friends, today I am going to talk about can, a modal verb, an auxiliary verb or a helping verb. Friends, generally modal verbs are used with V1 form or infinitive. For example, sing, it's a V1 form. Play, it's a V1 form. Cook, it's a V1 form, right? She can sing songs. They can play games. They can play cricket. He can cook. So here we can use can with V1 forms. Okay? And if you want to make it negative, if you want to write negative form, you can write like this, cannot. And don't give space between can and not. It should be connected. It should not be separated, right? And if you want to make it short, if you want to write contracted form, you have to write like this, can't. Okay, friends, here we have 8 occasions where we can use can. Possibility, ability, allow, permission, help, negative, doubt or surprise, and suggestions. The first one is possibility. Friends, can is used to say that it's possible for somebody or something to do something. For example, I can attend the meeting. That means it's possible for me to attend the meeting, right? And one more example, you can get the stamps from the post office. That means it's possible for you to get the stamps from the post office. There is a possibility of getting stamps from the post office, right? Let's go for the next one, ability. It's used to say that somebody knows something. Somebody knows how to do something. For example, I can sing songs. That means I have an ability of singing songs. I know how to sing songs. She can speak Tamil. That means she knows how to speak Tamil. She has an ability of speaking Tamil language. And he can cook. That means he knows how to cook and he has an ability of cooking. Alright, let's go for the next one. Allow. It's used to say that, can is used to say that somebody is allowed to do something. For example, you can use my car if you want. That means you are allowed to use my car if you want. And one more example, I can't wear t-shirts and jeans at my work. That means I am not allowed to wear t-shirts and jeans at work. Let's go for the next one, permission. It's used to ask permission. Can I use your laptop? Can I read your newspaper? Friends, here for asking permission, we have to use can in question form. If you want to make it question, you just put can in the beginning of the sentence, right? Help. It is also used in question form. Can you please help me? Can you please help me to lift the box? Can you feed the dog? Can you feed my dog, please? Right? Friends, you have to remember one thing here is asking for permission or asking for help with can is informal and it should be expressed in question form, right? And next one, negative. Can is used for saying that you are very sure that something is not true. For example, that can't be Priya. She is in Australia. One more time, that can't be Priya. She is in Australia. That means actually it is said that that is Priya, but you are sure that that is not Priya. Then you can say that can't be Priya, right? Let us see the next one, doubt or surprise. To express our doubt or surprise, we can use can. For example, where can they be now? What can they be doing now? Where can she have put it? Right? Let us see the last one, suggestions. To make suggestions, we can use can. For example, you can use the car if necessary. You can use the car if you want. We can have lunch at a restaurant if you are interested. Friends, I think you have got it, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do it and please share it with your friends. And thank you so much for watching my video, and let's meet again with a new topic. Have a nice day. Bye bye.